So hey guys, and welcome back to Cuboid. Today I'm going to be unboxing a few cubes for my upcoming competition. So if you don't know, on 25th and 26th of March I have Oculus Cube Open 2023. So this is my first cubing competition after I think like 3 months. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, today I have a few cubes and some other things to unbox. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so this is all the stuff. So first you have the moyu weilong pyraminx, the skewb. These are some extra parts for the YJ and a G5 timer. So here is my G4. As you can see, the button is kind of not working, and this timer is also not mine. So yeah, I'm really excited to open the G5. Alright, so here we have like some pamphlet. Overall really cool. Does this have batteries? Okay, so it says remove before use, so I'm just going to do that. Yeah, and yeah, let's see if it turns on. Oh, alright. I think I have to like press down on the thingy so that it goes to 2-pad. Yeah, so now it's on 2-pad mode, and alright, that's really cool. Okay, so let's just do a quick solve on it. Okay, 8.14. Yeah, pretty good. So now let's unbox the moyu weilong pyraminx. So I already have the moyu weilong pyraminx, but this is not mine, it's my friend's who has like lent it to me for some time. And yeah, I really like this pyraminx, so I just thought why not pick one for myself. And yeah, here you can see we have a few stickers which we'll open later. So okay, and this. Okay, I haven't opened a cube for quite some time with like plastic wrapping. So yeah, it's much more frosted than the other one because I've used it a lot. So yeah, this one is much more frosted, and let's just do some first turns. Okay, yeah, pretty good. It requires some setup, but yeah, the tensions are actually quite good compared to the one I have. So yeah, I really like this. Let's just do a solve on it real quick. Okay, it's not that great, but yeah, I mean the solve is not that great. The cube is really good. So I'm gonna set this up and then I'm gonna use it at my competition. And last but not least, we have the skewb. So this is actually my first ever skewb, so I'm really excited for it. Right. Okay, 4 stones. How do you turn this? Okay, I don't want to, oh shit, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, I messed it up. Okay, but I guess oh, okay, solved it. So yeah, it's pretty good. Like for a beginner like me, I think this is basically everything I need. And yeah, I'm gonna learn this, and yeah, I need to use this at my competition. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, now let's just take a look at the stickers I ordered. So I think I will get a free cube head sticker and something. Okay, yeah. So I ordered 2 of these. So these are like the orange side logos, so you put them on the orange side, and then you have obviously the cube head logo, which looks really cool. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this small unboxing. I'm also going to be ordering some stuff soon from Speedcube shop, so yeah, after the competition. So yeah, be on the lookout for that unboxing video as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.